Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Centre, and today we have a Google Pixel 7 that we need to back up because it's been damaged. So let's get right into it. So this repair is not your screen replacement, but a screen loan service for a client that we have here. This Google Pixel 7 has been smashed by a car door, so you can see that it's bent out of shape. The display is quite battered, and the client is not anymore going to use this. He's gonna move on to a different device, and he just wanted to back up his data. So we are gonna loan him a Google Pixel 7 display. We're gonna remove this one, and while the loaner display is attached, he can back up his photos or files, and we'll take the loaner screen back and his old display, and that's gonna be it. This is not a full screen replacement, but I think you can get a bit of an idea that we can also offer a screen loan service. You know, you can bring in your smartphone. If you decide that it's not going to be worth the price of repair, you can still back up your device, maybe get some important data from your smartphone and move on to a different one. And this one, it's all good. We're gonna give it to our client. He will do whatever he wants to do, and that's gonna be it. Goodbye, Google Pixel 7. Cheers!
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.
So this Google Pixel 7a is damaged on the front display, and David here is testing the smartphone. So far so good. Touchscreen is working, no bleed on the display, just cracks on the crystal and glass. So we're gonna replace the entire display, and we're gonna remove it right away. So this Google Pixel 7a has not been opened before, so expect that it's gonna put up a good resistance as we open it. And as you can see here, we are doing it piece by piece. So the display, we're not really gonna worry about it too much. Yeah, you can see it flakes off. Bits and pieces are flying everywhere. So David is wearing protective glasses and gloves to open this up. The adhesive around underneath the display is quite strong, and it took us a while to remove this broken display. We're slicing through the adhesive and lifting it on the right side, because on the left side you can see the connector is firmly attached to the display connector. David is trying to turn this on. It still works. And we're gonna continue with our disassembly. Shut them down and pop it off. So the old display, you can see there's the fingerprint scanner attached underneath the display, and we're gonna get that out and transfer it to the new display. Right there, it's finally off. It's this module right here. It's quite thin and very sensitive and flimsy, so extra care is necessary so that we can still reuse that one. No issues with the Google Pixel 7a, unlike iPhones that needs reprogramming on the display itself. This one is not serialized. You can buy your own replacement display and install it, and there's not going to be an issue on the software. And David is just grinding off pieces of aluminium frame so that when we attach the new display later on, it's going to sit flush over it. Right now, we're just going to test our replacement display. We have here a brand new one. I'm going to push in the display connector. There you go. And let's turn this Pixel 7a on. And it still works. So just a quick testing before we can confirm and continue with our repair. And this is the fingerprint scanner. It's quite difficult to remove, but David is making it look easy. I'm not gonna attempt that on my own Pixel 7a if I have one. Hey, these are the perks of having professional technicians work on your device. They make difficult things easy for us. And just like what I said, you can buy your own Google Pixel 7a replacement display from eBay or Amazon, and you can perform this exact screen replacement procedure. You can buy your own tools, but if you don't have the time, don't have the interest, don't have the tools to do your own Google Pixel 7a screen replacement, you can just go to your local service technician so that they can give you a quote and do the repairs for you. And of course, if you're still under warranty from Google, then you can just take your phone there and have them